Viewers, we welcome you back to Don Flow's Academy, the principle of management. The rich people understand the principle of management, like planning, organizing, supervising, leading, and controlling the affairs of their life and their business in all aspects. Starting out with a vision, strategy, objective, planning out of action, including strategy toward the execution of operation. To be ahead, you need to manage your vision, your purpose of life, time, and also manage your living expenses, your business expenses, and all that form of expenses. Your personal life has to be managed effectively. You have to think about your career path, what direction you want to go with your life, with your career, or do you have a calling that you have to answer, and are you making plan? Are you training yourself in line to that career to help you upscale your movement or your journey in this life? The principle of management cover all the 7 practical things rich people understand. Starting out with your purpose. Identify your purpose. Know your passion. Know your pain point. Know your problems or problems surrounding you that you feel are aligned to you, that you feel you have to resolve or solve. These are the management aspect of your purpose. Identify those things. Start tackling them. Start identifying them. Start helping yourself to discover it. If you need help, we have more videos in the upcoming videos. The second piece of it, you want to look into association, the partnership, the dream helpers that can help you grow faster, people you can look up to, the mentor, the coaching aspect of this journey. Then you want to look into the secrets of debt system and credit system. How do you manipulate those things? Which are the financial aspect of the resources you may need to move forward with your businesses? And the fourth one, focus on the tax system. And then the fifth one, the stream of income. And then the sixth one covers insurance, the art of protecting yourself, your family, and your asset. Now we're talking about management. Embrace the whole practical things which people understand and they practice and they live as their daily habit of behaviors. So please, we recommend that you continue growing in your management style better every day. Associate and partner with people that will elevate you, that make you more better, that will lead you toward your direction. That's why it's very important to identify your purpose before associating with folks. Because if you associate with folks before you identify your purpose, it might lead you into the direction that may not meant for you. And when you are missing your place, you are missing your position. When you are missing your position, you are missing your power. Your power is based on identifying your purpose, and your purpose aligning to your place. When you operate in your position, you're empowered. You'll be fulfilled in that aspect. So thank you for sticking with us throughout this series videos. I am Tolu Radiant, and I will see you in our upcoming videos.